Run your contracting business in one powerful system. Contractor Business OS Executive Edition helps you manage projects, estimates, invoices, payments, job costing, reports, change orders, purchase orders, subcontractors, materials, team, fleet, and equipment, all from one offline HTML app. Track revenue, costs, profit, margins, open projects, unpaid invoices, cash flow, and project performance in a clean executive dashboard. Add your data, manage daily operations, then export a branded Excel workbook with professional reports, charts, and organized sheets. No subscription, no cloud required. Your data stays on your device. Perfect for contractors, remodelers, builders, small construction teams, and project managers. Plan better, manage smarter, deliver profitably. Contractor Business OS, your all-in-one contractor management system.